Students, welcome back to another video. This is JEE mains question in quadratic equation, very repeated question. Okay, this type of question compulsory in JEE mains. If alpha and beta are the distinct roots of the equation x square plus 3 power 1 by 4 into x plus 3 power 1 by 2 equal to 0, then the value of alpha power 96 into alpha power 12 minus 1 plus beta power 96 into beta power minus 12 beta power 12 minus 1 is. Okay, now solution. Alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation, means alpha and beta satisfy this equation, and alpha is substitute in x plus, beta also substitute in x plus. First you substitute alpha is equal, x is equal to alpha. Okay, alpha is a root of x square plus 3 power 1 by 4 into x plus 3 power 1 by 2 equal to 0. This can all in x plus we can substitute alpha. Alpha square plus 3 power 1 by 4 into alpha plus 3 power 1 by 2 equal to 0. This implies alpha square plus 3 power 1 by 2. This taking right side తీసుకోపోదాం దీన్ని 3 power 1 by 4 into alpha. Okay, squaring on both sides, this is minus here. Okay, alpha square plus 3 power 1 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 3 power 1 by 4 into alpha whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. A square alpha square whole square alpha power 4 plus b square 3 power 1 by 2 whole square, 2 cancel, plus 2ab 2 into root 3. 3 power 1 by 2 means root 3 into alpha square. Minus square is plus 3 power 1 by 4 whole square alpha square. 2 times cancel here. This implies alpha power 4 plus 3 plus 2 root 3 alpha square. 3 power 1 by 2 is root 3 alpha square. 2 root 3 alpha square taking ఇటువైపు వెళ్ళేది రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొద్దాం. ఆల్ఫా పవర్ 4 ప్లస్ 3 ఈక్వల్ 3 root 3 alpha square minus 2 root 3 alpha square. This implies alpha power 4 plus 3 equal 2 root 3 alpha minus 2 root 3 alpha square plus root 3 alpha square is minus root 3 alpha square. Again squaring on both sides. Alpha power 4 plus 3 whole square is equal, minus square is plus, root 3 whole square is 3 alpha power 4. Okay, this is a plus b whole square form. Alpha power 8 plus 9, b square is 3 square is 9 plus 2ab 2 into alpha power 4 alpha 2 alpha power 4 into 3 6 alpha power 4 is equal to 3 alpha power 4. This implies alpha power 8 is equal to 3 alpha power 4. These two right side తీసుకొద్దాం. minus 6 power alpha power 4 minus 9. Alpha power 8 is equal to 3 alpha power 4 minus 6 alpha power 4 is minus 3 alpha power 4 minus 9 alpha power 8 value. Okay, first if you want alpha power 12, multiplying with both side alpha power 4 into alpha power 8 is equal to alpha power 4 into minus 3 alpha power 4 minus 9. Okay, alpha power 4 into alpha power 8 is alpha power 12. Bases equal, power should be added. Alpha power 4 into alpha power 4 minus 3 alpha power 8. Okay, minus 9 alpha power 4. Okay, alpha power 8 value is substitute in this place. Alpha power 12 equal to minus 3 into minus 3 alpha power 4 minus 9 minus 9 alpha power 4. Alpha power 12 equal to minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9 alpha power 4 minus into minus plus 3 into 9 27 plus 27 minus alpha power 4. Okay, minus 9 alpha power 4. This cancel. Alpha power 12 equal to 27. Similarly, beta power 12 also 27. Okay, if you want alpha power 96 into alpha power 12 minus 1 plus beta power 96 into beta power 12 minus 1. Alpha power 12 whole power 8 into alpha power 12 minus 1 beta power 12 whole power 8 beta power 12 minus 1. Alpha power 12 is 27, beta power 12 also is 27. These two values substitute in these places. 27 whole power 8 into 27 minus 1, 27 whole power 8 into 27 minus 1. 27 can be written as 3 cube whole power 8 into 26 plus 3 cube whole power 8 into 26. These are 2 times is there. So 2 into 26 into 3 cube whole power 8. 52 into 3 power 24. This is the final answer. Now another question. Let alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Roots of the equation x square plus 20 whole power 1 by 4 into x plus 5 power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then find alpha power 8 plus beta power 8. Now solution. Alpha comma beta roots of this equation means alpha is satisfy this equation, beta also satisfy this equation. Okay, alpha is a root of x square plus 20 whole power 1 by 4 into x plus 5 power 1 by 2 equal to 0. This can be written as alpha square plus 20 whole power 1 by 4 into alpha plus 5 power 1 by 2 equal to 0. This can be written as alpha square plus root 5. 5 power 1 by 2 means root 5 equal to minus 20 whole power 1 by 4 alpha. Squaring on both sides, alpha square plus root 5 whole square is equal to minus 20 whole power 1 by 4 into alpha whole square. A plus b whole square form. A square, alpha square whole square is alpha power 4. Root 5 whole square is 5. 2ab, 2 into root 5, 2 root 5 into alpha square. 2 root 5 into alpha square. Minus square is plus. Okay, 20 whole power 1 by 4 whole square alpha square. Okay, 2 times cancel. Alpha power 4 plus 5 plus 2 root 5 alpha square is equal to root 20 into alpha square. Okay, alpha power 4 plus 5 plus 2 root 5 alpha square equal to root 20 also 2 root 5 alpha square. These two terms cancel. Alpha power 4 equal to minus 5. Okay, squaring on both sides, alpha power 4 whole square equal to minus 5 whole square. This implies alpha power 8 is equal to 25. Similarly, beta power 8 also 25. If you want alpha power 8 plus beta power 8, 25 plus 25, that equal to 50. Final answer is 50. That's enough. Alpha is equal to maximum value of 8 power 2 sin 3x 4 cos 3x, and beta equal to minimum of, that is maximum, this is minimum of 8 power 2 sin x into 4 power 4 cos x 4 cos 3x. Okay, if 8x square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha power 1 by 5 plus beta power 1 by 5, then c minus b is equal to. Now solution. Alpha is equal to maximum of 8 power 2 sin 3x 4 power 4 cos 3x. Okay, maximum of 2 cube whole power 2 sin 3x 2 square whole power 4 cos 3x. Maximum of 2 power 2 into 3 6 6 sin 3x into 2 4s are 8. 8 cos 3x. Okay. Here bases are equal, power should be added. Bases are equal, power should be added. Maximum of 2 power 6 sin 3x plus 8 cos 3x. Okay, maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is equal to c plus under. Since maximum of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is c plus under root of a square plus b square. Minimum of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is c minus under root of a square plus b square. Here c value is 0, a value is 8, b value is 6. Okay. Maximum of 2 power 0 plus under root of 8 square plus 6 square. Maximum of 2 power root 100. 64 plus 36, 100. Maximum of 2 power 10. Alpha power a, sorry, maximum completed. Okay, 2 power 10. Okay, alpha value is 2 power 10. Alpha power 1 by 5 equal to 2 power 10 whole power 1 by 5. 2 times 2 square, that equal to 4. Beta is equal to minimum of 8 power 2 sin 3x into 4 power 4 cos 3x. Okay, beta is equal to minimum of 2 cube whole power 2 sin 3x into 4 is 2 square whole power 4 cos 3x. Okay, minimum of 2 3s are 6. 2 power 6 sin 3x into 2 power 2 4s are 8. 8 cos 3x. Okay, minimum of 2 power, bases are equal, power should be added. 6 sin 3x plus 8 cos 3x. Okay, minimum of 2 power 6 sin 3x plus 4 cos 3x is 2 power minus root of, c value is 0. 8 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 2 power minus root 100, that equal to 2 power minus 10. 1 by 2 power 10. Beta is equal to 1 by 2 power 10. Beta power 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 power 10 whole power 1 by 5. 2 times cancel. 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Alpha power 1 by 5 is 4. Beta power 1 by 5 is 1 by 4. Alpha power 1 by 5 comma beta power 1 by 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation 8x square, roots of the equation 8x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, sum of roots alpha power 1 by 5 plus beta power 1 by 5 is equal to sum of roots is equal to minus b by 8. That implies alpha power 1 by 5 is 4, beta power 1 by 5 is 1 by 4. That equal to minus b by 8. Here LCM is 4. 4 into 4, 16 plus 1 is equal to minus b by 8. 2 times cancel. 2 into 17 is equal to minus b, implies b is equal to minus 34. Okay, product of roots. Roots is equal to alpha power 1 by 5 into beta power 1 by 5 by c by 8. Okay, 4 into 1 by 4. Alpha power 1 by 5 is 4, beta power 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, is equal to c by 8, which implies c is equal to 8. If you want c minus b, C minus B is equal, C value is 8 minus of minus 34. 8 plus 34, that is equal to 42. That's enough. Final answer is 42.